Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to remove animation in your Android phone. Now if I open and close some apps, you can see in my phone animation is turned on. If you want to disable it, just open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to accessibility. After that go to vision enhancements and then scroll down again. And here you can see remove animations option. Now by tapping here you can turn off animation in your phone. And it's done. Now if I open and close some apps, you can see in my phone animation is turned off. If you turn off remove animations option, then it will prevent some screen effects. You can also enable or disable color correction, also color filter from here. And that is how you can remove animation in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.